all guns blazing in the Congress bastion, even as Congress's General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has been extensively campaigning. Now, what did Priyanka Gandhi say in a response? Priyanka Gandhi said that the BJP is handing over the nation's wealth to 4 to 5 people. She also accused the Prime Minister of implementing demonetization, which caused a lot of trouble to small businesses. And she also accused the BJP of not doing anything for the poor in the country over the last 1 decade. Listen in.
देश की संपत्ति थी, सब पका दिया आपने, सिर्फ 4-5 लोगों को। अब प्रधानमंत्री जी एक दिन उन्होंने तय किया कि वो नोटबंदी करेंगे। आपको कह दिया कि अपने सारे जितने भी वो नोट थे उसमें 500 नोट भी आती है, 1000 का दशक। और जो छोटे कारोबार थे, छोटे दुकानदार थे, उनका नुकसान हुआ बहुत उस समय। मुश्किलें कम नहीं हुई है इन 10 सालों में, तरक्की नहीं हुई है आपकी। फिर भी आपको दिखता है कि देश बहुत आगे बढ़ रहा है, अर्थव्यवस्था मजबूत हो रही है। टीवी चलाते हैं, उसमें तमाम बड़ी बड़ी जश्न देखते हैं आपको, उसमें मोदी जी जा रहे हैं, सारे पीछे पीछे आगे आ रहे हैं, ये सब दिखता है।
And Sabyasachi is joining us on this broadcast. Sabyasachi, the tone has been set. Rai Bareli is one of the most important constituencies in this Lok Sabha elections. All eyes are on Rai Bareli after Rahul Gandhi filed his nomination from there. Today the question is, when is Rahul Gandhi going to campaign in Rai Bareli? It's Priyanka Gandhi who's holding fort there.
Well, absolutely. See, this is the question which the BJP is continuously asking the Congress party. See, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who has been based in Amethi and Rai Bareli, has been continuously campaigning in both these constituencies and taking on the BJP alone. Whereas till now, Mr. Gandhi has not campaigned once in Rai Bareli. Though the Congress has planned that Rahul Gandhi along with Akhilesh Yadav would be campaigning in Rai Bareli soon, but that would be pretty close to the poll date of Rai Bareli. See, at this particular time, the BJP has been carpet bombing in Rai Bareli and Amethi, both the constituency. Today, Union Home Minister Amit Shah as well have asked the question to the Congress party, where is Rahul Gandhi? Why isn't Rahul Gandhi campaigning in Rai Bareli? See, already the BJP has been alleging that the Congress party and Mr. Gandhi, by choosing Rai Bareli, they have already accepted their defeat, that they cannot take on the BJP heads-on in Amethi, which had been a Congress bastion. And because of the fear of Smriti Irani, the Congress has chosen a safer seat of Rai Bareli, and that is the reason why we have not seen Mr. Gandhi on ground till now. See, the war of words, the banter is continuously going on between the BJP and the Congress, where Home Minister Amit Shah attacked the Congress party and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra.
So, Sabyasachi, last-minute nomination, last-minute campaigning, and like the BJP has constantly accused the Gandhis of taking the voters of Amethi and Rai Bareli for granted, does this also give them similar ammunition? But it's not just in Rai Bareli. Congress and Gandhis attacked for ignoring the seat of Amethi. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath today was canvassing for Smriti Irani and he compared the work done by the two leaders. Listen to what Yogi Adityanath said, and then after that we'll play out a reaction from Smriti Irani.
आपने 2019 में एक क्रांतिकारी निर्णय लिया और उस निर्णय की धमक न केवल लखनऊ में थी बल्कि दिल्ली में भी सुनाई दे रही थी। मैं बधाई दूंगा सम्मान्य श्रीमती स्मृति ईरानी जी को। उन्होंने 5 वर्ष में जितना दौरा अमेठी लोकसभा क्षेत्र का किया, कांग्रेस की 4 पीढ़ियां उतना दौरा संयुक्त रूप से नहीं कर पाई थी।
कि अमेठी की ये वो जनता है जिसने राष्ट्र के राजनीतिक इतिहास में एक भूचाल ला दिया, जब कांग्रेस पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष उनके शहजादों को अमेठी की जनता ने धूल चटाई और लोकतंत्र को ये संदेश दिया कि अगर सांसद 15 साल लापता रहा तो उसका क्या, पूरे खानदान का बोरिया बिस्तर बांधने की ताकत गरीब नागरिक में है।
Rashid Alvi of the Congress Party joining us on this broadcast. Good evening, Mr. Alvi. Home Minister Amit Shah was in Raebareli today, and I'm sure you heard what he said. He questioned the Gandhi family, questioned Sonia Gandhi, asked her what work has been done for Raebareli for the last 10 years. Today, there are leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party who are asking when will Rahul Gandhi come and campaign. How does the Congress plan to respond to the BJP?
No, I have not heard, and I am not interested to hear Amit Shah ji and our Prime Minister. They have come down to this level that not only me, even the entire country, they are not listening to them. They are just communalizing this situation of the country. They are not informing this nation what have they done in last 10 years.
But Mr. Alvi, while you have all the right to ask the questions to the Bharatiya Janata Party as the opposition, there is also a question that the BJP is asking you today. Is this part of Rahul Gandhi's strategy to not campaign in Raebareli till the very end?
Who are they to ask this question? Rahul Gandhi will decide, Congress Party will decide.
All right.
Not Janata Party. We are not asking.
Only for the want of time, Mr. Alvi, I'll have to interject there, and I apologize because we'll have to cut across. There's a live rally of Prime Minister Narendra